So our hair is all detangled, and now I'm about to start to do our hair using Sesame Heat Protector, Thermal Heat Protector, sorry. Put some on our hair ends. And this one is the Design Essential Silk. I'm going to use this one last. This one is Heat Hot Active Sheen. So it's a heat protector as well. And this one is more oily. You don't necessarily have to use all of these heat protector. I just like using it, so that's why I'm using it. My favorite one, the one, not really say favorite, but the one that I use most of all when I blow dry our hair is the Tresemme heat protector. But this one is perfect for doing silk. To straighten the hair. This one is perfect. This one is the Design Essential Silk Essent, and it's more on an oilier shade. This is it. This one gives you a well done job. Make sure that you get the product on the hair end, so the hair end won't be damaged. I love using this. So this is actually, I think it's the second time I'll be doing this to her hair. I did it when she was way younger. She wouldn't remember any at all. And today is our birthday. Happy birthday, Kiki. So I'm going to just section off the hair and then start. Just to let you know, I am not sponsored by any of these products. I just love them. Actually using a flat iron tracer comb, and my flat iron is not on the extreme hot section. It's about 360. It's not above. And if you guys are wondering, no, the texture of Kiki here has not changed because I already changed her hairstyle. So the texture has went right back to its natural texture. And if you notice, I am trying to do the edge, and I don't keep my flat iron on the root of her hair because I do not want to irritate her scalp. And for those who are wondering why I have on a gloves, my hands has gotten so sensitive since lately to heat. I'm not sure why, so that's why I have on a gloves. And always remember to detangle from the end and then work your way up. And the next thing I want to say is I did wash her hair a few days before, and I did blow dry it, but I did not want to go back over it with the heat to blow it out. I would actually advise you, when you're going to straighten your hair, do it on the same day that you're blowing out your hair. Although you can do air dry as well. As you can see, Kiki is laughing her way. She is not paying me much attention. She is watching YouTube. or Facebook. I'm not sure which one, but she's just watching some comedy, and I had to do the voiceover because I did get conversation in it, and there was loud music playing in the background. So for those who are wondering about the steam that they see coming off the hair, that is caused by the product that is on her hair. It did not smell like hair burning or anything. If you notice, when I reach to the root, I move very fastly on the root because I did not want her scalp to irritate. And the flat iron that I am using is a ceramic flat iron. I love it. It gives a smooth finishing, as you can see. So the reason why I did get a flat iron Kiki here on the same day I started doing her wash routine super late. So by time I would reach to doing the flat iron, it was like very late in the night. And Kiki here, you have to be gentle with it. A matter of fact, if you want your hair to grow, you have to be gentle with your hair. So it was too late in the night and I wanted to record it so you guys could see how to straighten your natural hair. So if you notice, the section that I have is straightened and the next section is not. Kiki here is a 4C here, so you know that her hair is like extremely thick. But although it's thick, the products that I use in her hair has made her hair very soft. The shampoo that I did use in her hair was the Tresemme Moisture Rich, and the condition was actually the Design Essential Almond Butter Express Intense Moisturizing Condition. Normally I would use the Tresemme condition, but because I know that I was going to do the silk press, that's why I choose to use the Design Essential. I actually love using that condition, although it's more on the pricier side. I will leave all the products that I use in her hair, both for wash day and the products that I use in her hair when I'm doing the silk press, so you will actually see that. So the reason why I would advise you to do your silk press on that day, you won't have to be going over the hair more than once. When you do your silk press on the same day of your blow drying, you will have a full silky hair. As you can see, Kiki hair is finished and it's super cute. Guys, I will show you how her hair is looking in other updates. So peace out. Love you guys. Until next time.